Birdies, all the birdies singing in the morning. All the birds singing and the trees moving. And the birdies singing. And the grass growing. And flying and flowers starting to rise up. And the sun rising up to be healthy. It is a pill bug. Pill bugs do not bite. Okay, guys, we are going in my room. Daddy!
I'm trying to work. We'll get this done. I mean, let's not worry about it. I'm going to be with you too, but I need to get stuff done around here. Know what I mean, Jelly Bean?
Oops. No. Guys, watch this. So guys, watch. So ready? Go. It's huge, you see? Look, it's like this huge. After all, you can see the colors, I guess. At least this candy is your favorite. You could have Sour Punch, Airheads, Bites, Trolley Gummy Worms, and Reese's Pieces M&Ms. I'm gonna give this to any people, so if the kids give me 20 comments, I will give them a piece of candy, which one they will want. They can have Sour Punch, or Gummy Worms, or Reese's Pieces, or Airheads Bites. Or you can get those marshmallows over there. Titus and Rye Rye can make 20 comments for me and tell them what kind of candy they want from me by Rye and Titus. And whichever one they choose, all the kids that like my videos, they can give me how many. So I need 20 comments, please. Tell me which kind of candy you want. You get to pick one inside a Ziploc bag. Or you can have Lego candy, Chewy Bites. Bite 10 times of those. And the marshmallows is how many you can buy, how many times you want. But don't choke because they're pretty marshmallowy. So, and whoever gives me another comment, I'll give them this fidget toy to play with. Okay? I'll promise I'll give this to somebody that wants this fidget toy if they give me 21 comments. Okay? Okay. Bye.